Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us discuss about 17 things to do for being happy. All of us want to be happy. Am I right? Yes, it is our birthright to be happy. So we should be happy. Then what we should do to be happy? Let me discuss one after the other. First thing is, we should have positive thinking. Positive thinking always keeps us happy because we think in an optimistic way. This optimistic way of thinking helps us a lot. When there is a glass which is 50% filled, we say it is 50% full. Don't say 50% empty. So always think in a positive side, in a better manner, in a positive manner. In due course, your mind or your mindset will become positive on its own. That is the first thing. Second, talk about only things what is in your control. Otherwise, I have seen people talking, okay, what Mr. Modi, Prime Minister of India, should do, what President Trump should do. They sit here and talk all about things. Now tell me whether that is in your control? No. There are some things which are in our control. Let us talk about that, let us do about that. Not the things which are not in our control. So, we should stop bothered about the things which are not in our control. Let us be bothered about the things which are in our control. Next, very, very important is about our health. We should be very, very careful about our health, both physical and mental. For physical exercise, we should have good diet, that is fresh vegetables, fruits, plenty of water and all. For mental health, we should have meditation, self-talk and whatever things which prayers, whatever helps us. So, physical health and mental health, both are very, very important. Spiritual health as well, emotional health as well. Next is, let us live our own life. Means what? Means let me think how I can improve myself. Why I should talk about others, bothered about other things? Not at all necessary. So let me talk about myself. Let me look at myself, how I can improve myself, how I can make myself a better person. Next is be curious about life. Means learn to be curious by new things. Let it be in technology and everything. Be curious. Otherwise, there are some people blaming all the things, new things. Later on they will buy, but in the beginning they will blame. No, don't do like that. Be curious. Learn about that and have this childlike curiosity in yourself and have your own groups of our own age. Apart from that, we can have other groups also. We should mingle, but we should have a group of our own age group, because we can understand one another well. And we should attend the social functions. Don't tell why I should attend, no, this and that, or no. Attend the social functions. You will meet your relatives, friends, old friends, you will have new friends, and it will make you happy. See, if you want to be happy, we have to mingle with the people. Staying alone in the house and brooding on our own self, you will never be happy. So, attend social functions. Don't say I'm retired, why I should go now, who is bothered about me, nothing like that. Be, what I can say, attentive, listen to the people, speak to the people, and attend the social functions. Teach others what you can. If they want, that is very, very important. Whatever things we are knowing, we should be ready to teach others. Don't be under the impression why I should teach him, why I should impart my knowledge. No. See, whatever we are having, we should learn to give it to others. And a very important thing is we should know how to organize our vacations. For vacations, go out. Let it be with your family, with your friends, or sometimes even you are knowing you can alone also go. Lonely trip also doesn't matter. So organize the vacations, visit new places, enjoy yourself, then daily exercise. Take it as a fun, have the exercise, and be, what I can say, very, very punctual, and in that. Next is, yes, you are growing up, slow down. Slow down means what? Have your own friends, but as a young man or woman, you might be very active and very fast doing all the things. But as you are growing up, learn to slow down. Don't say I should do this within 1 day or 2 days. Let it take its own time. And laughter is the medicine of our health. So be happy always. Laugh. If you are having laughter clubs, you can join them. Go regularly. Regularity is a must. Then keep away from toxic people. We know that everywhere we are having many toxic people. These people, they will always, what they do? They always pull you down. They think that you are someone, you are of no use, or this and that. They will be always pulling you down, talking bad about you, hurting you. During such time, what you should do is learn to be away from such people. Don't go near them. If they are causing you something bad or talking something bad about you, then don't be bothered about them. Be yourself. Learn to be far away from such people. At the same time, be always with the positive kind of people, those who will make you positive always. And very important thing is live in the present, because past is a cancelled check. Don't think about that. Future you are knowing, it is a promissory note. Today is the cash, so make use of it. So always live in the present and don't think about the future. Don't think and brood about the past. And one more very important thing is be busy throughout your life. Be busy. Because if we are busy, you are knowing, devil never comes and stays in our mind and makes it his workshop. So, be busy all the time. Help others if you can. All these things will make you happy. Have a nice day.